Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through just some of the AI capabilities within Harness. And what we're looking at here is an example of a full pipeline execution where we see all the steps and stages that go in from a developer making a pull request to building and testing that out with CI, promoting that to dev, QA. Perhaps you have an approval gate here from Jira or ServiceNow, and then eventually deploying to production. But AI is not new to Harness. We were actually the first ones to embed AI into the SDLC with things like our continuous verification, which is going to monitor post deployment for any anomalies and can automatically roll that back based on thresholds that we set here. If we go back to our build stage right here, we're running our security scans and we're also using our test intelligence here, which is only going to run the unit tests that are relevant to the code change that's being made. And in this example here, we can go to our test results right here, and we can see that out of 9,624 unit tests, Harness only ran the 1,500 tests that are relevant to the code change that we made here. This saved us about 80% of the time with this build, giving a lot of time back into each engineer's day with every pipeline execution. But when you go to this pipeline, you might say, this is great, but how long does it actually take to build this out? And so I want to show how easy it is to recreate this using our AI here. So here now I'm in my personal sandbox, and I'm going to go ahead and recreate this with AI. We can see right here. And I went ahead and built out this prompt beforehand, so I'm not boring anyone by typing all this, but we can see that I asked Harness AI to please create a pipeline here named Demo AI Pipeline with the following stages and steps, where first we're going to do that CI stage of build, test, and push. That's going to perform that test intelligence with its unit tests. It's going to embed security scans from Wiz and Black Duck with an SBOM generation check. Then we're going to add that approval from Jira or ServiceNow, and then we're going to do a deploy to production using a canary deployment and our AI-powered continuous verification with automatic rollback here. And so we'll give this just another second or two here, but it's going to update us. And if you're new to Harness, everything is available as code, like YAML, like this. But if we click accept here, we'll be brought back to this visual pipeline studio where we can see that we have our test intelligence embedded right here, along with our security scans. We have approval gates from Jira and ServiceNow, and we have our advanced canary deployment here with continuous verification embedded. So really in just a couple minutes, we're doing advanced deployment strategies, creating pretty advanced pipelines here. Now, Harness AI is also context aware as well. So I'm pulling up here, we have this example service of ECS for Nginx. And I just want to show how we can easily recreate this as well and reference this too. So I'm going to go back once more. I'm going to go to create with AI here and a much smaller prompt here where I'm going to ask, please create a pipeline with just one stage that deploys an application using the existing ECS Nginx service and a canary strategy here. So we're going to give this just one more moment here. This will go ahead and build this out, and we'll see how we can reference existing services, connectors, or otherwise that you have already within the Harness platform. So we'll give this just one more second here. It should just be finishing up. And this will go ahead and there we go. I'll go ahead and hit accept. And we can see that we have this deploy ECS here. And if we go to the service, this is the same service that we referenced previously as well. Harness AI also gives us our audit trails here where we can see who's done what. We'll see everything will be tagged as well, whether it's made with AI generated true. We can see right here. And then we can create custom dashboards within the platform to monitor deployments, maybe from those that were generated by AI, from those pipelines that were not, or otherwise. And so just to summarize everything we went over, just how Harness embeds AI throughout the entire SDLC with things like our continuous verification that's going to monitor post-deployment for anomalies, automatically roll those back. We have our test intelligence, which is going to only run unit tests that are relevant to the code change that's being made, and we can recreate all these pipelines and steps using our AI as well. And that's it. Thank you so much for your time.